Now for the different parts of the camera. This one's your lens. This one's the shutter button. And here's where I screw in the cable release. This is the lever or lock to prevent you from pressing the shutter. See, that's off. That's on. So these ones are for flash bulbs, I think. This one's for your electronic shutter. Electronic flash. For the bottom of the camera, this is the tripod mount. This is for rewinding the film. This here is for the film cutter. This will be shown later. And this is the knob to open the back. So you have your viewfinder. You have your shutter cocking lever. You have the knob to set your frame exposure. You have the shutter selection knob and the self timer and reminder of what films you're using. It's also a self timer and other shutter release functions.